Dear students of 11th standard, very pleasant morning. Once again, welcome back to the zoology class. This is a continuation of chapter number 2, that is Kingdom Animalia. Under Kingdom Animalia, today we are going to know about another group of animals which come under the phylum Hemichordata. What is the meaning of Hemichordata? Hemi means half, chorda means string. So it become Hemichordata. The word Hemichordata is a Greek word. These animals were earlier treated as subphylum Chordata or Prochordata. They are now regarded to be an independent phylum of invertebrates, very close to Echinodermata. The animals of this group possess the characters of invertebrates as well as chordates. This phylum consists of a small group of worm-like soft marine animals, mostly tuberculous. Tuberculous means living in a tube and commonly called the acorn worms or tongue worms. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and coelomate animals with organ system level of organization. Their body is cylindrical and is divided into three regions: the anterior proboscis, a short collar and a long trunk. Here you can see. Most hemichordates are ciliary feeders. What is the meaning of ciliary feeder? The cilia in the mouth causes a water current into the animal and filters the microorganisms for the food. This type of feeding is called ciliary feeding. The animals are called as ciliary feeders. Their circulatory system is simple and open type with a dorsal heart. Here you can see the heart. Respiration is through paired gills. Here you can see the paired gill slits. So, respiration is through paired gill slits opening into the pharynx. Excretion is by a single proboscis gland or glomerulus situated in the proboscis. Nervous system is primitive. Primitive means very simple, only they contain nerve cord and ganglia. Sexes are separate and exhibit sexual mode of reproduction. Fertilization is external. Development is indirect with a free swimming Tarnaria larva. What is indirect development? The young ones do not resemble adults. The larva undergoes drastic changes to become an adult. Got it? Fertilization is external and development is indirect with Tarnaria larva. The examples for the phylum Hemichordata are Balanoglossus, Sarcoglossus and Trichodira flava. Dear students, today you learnt a group of animals called Hemichordata. Thank you.